Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about the best crypto investment strategy for beginners. So if you are new to the crypto space, it is important for you to have a strategy in place to minimize your risk and of course maximize your profits. There are many different strategies that you can choose from, but the most recommended one and the best strategy for beginners is a very simple one and also a conservative one. So here are the steps that you can take to implement this strategy. Step 1. Choose a reputable exchange and make sure to choose an exchange that is trustworthy and has a good reputation in the crypto community. Step 2. Invest in a diversified portfolio instead of investing all your money in just one cryptocurrency. Step 3. Use dollar cost averaging instead of investing a large sum of money at once. Invest smaller amounts on a regular basis to take advantage of market volatility. Step 4. Set stop loss orders. Set stop loss orders to automatically sell your cryptocurrencies if they drop below a certain price. Now this helps you limit your losses. Step 5. Stay up to date with news and events. So always try to keep yourself informed about the latest news and events in the cryptocurrency world to make informed decisions about your investments. So there you have it, the best crypto investment strategy for beginners. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency can be highly risky at times, so always do your own research and invest only what you can afford to lose. This will be all for the video. Thanks for watching.